In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify product page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, open your theme editor, and tailor the product page sections, content, and layout so your items look great and convert better. First, head to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Login, enter the email address associated with your store, choose Continue with Email, then enter your password and click Login. If you're prompted for any security checks, complete those so you can access your admin. Inside your Shopify dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This is where your themes live and where you'll control the look and feel of your store. Find your current theme and click the option to edit or customize it. This opens the theme editor, a visual builder that lets you work with your product page without touching code. If you're cautious about big changes, consider making updates gradually and reviewing them in preview before publishing. In the theme editor, make sure you're viewing a product page. Most themes show a product template in the top drop-down. Now focus on the left side editor. This panel lists the sections that make up the page, such as product media, title, price, description, reviews, recommendations, and any upsell areas. You can add new sections, remove ones you don't need, or drag to rearrange them. Think about the order a shopper experiences your page. Clear images first, a concise title and price, an obvious add to cart button, then supportive content like description, reviews, and related products. Keep it focused and avoid clutter that can slow the page. Click into any section to edit the content and settings. For product media, choose the image layout and aspect ratio that suits your catalog, and make sure images are crisp and consistent. For the title, price, and buy buttons, check visibility and placement so the call to action is always easy to find. In the description, use clean, scannable text and headings to highlight key benefits. If your theme offers variant pickers, sizing options, SKU, or inventory display, adjust those to match your brand's tone and customer expectations. If you're using a reviews or trust badge app, you can typically surface those blocks here. Keep an eye on settings like spacing, colors, and typography to maintain readability across desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the layout and content, click Save in the top right. Use the built-in preview to check both desktop and mobile, and load a few different products to confirm everything looks consistent. That's it. Your customized Shopify product page is ready.